Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add FAQ section in WPBakery WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website. Let me go to dashboard, and after that in the plugin sections just you can upload plugin file in zip format. Here you can select the plugin file, and I already installed that plugin. So now let's go back to the pages. And if you want to get plugin, just you can go official website WPBakery.com. Then here you can check the pricing, and if you want to get for a single site, just you can select this package. Okay, now let's go back to the pages and edit one of the page. And here you can see you are seeing this old interface for the WordPress. Just you can install a plugin that's called Classic Editor. Then scroll down, and here let me add a new row. Then I want to add 2-column row. Okay, after that click on plus icon, and here you can set for FAQ. So now here you can add title, for example question 1. And now scroll down, here you can change the text. Whatever content you want to add, you can easily do that. Then you can check the style. Here you can see these are various presets that you can select one of these. Then you can also select icon color. For example, let me select pink. Then scroll down, and here you can select the size, normal, large as well as small. Then default state. You can keep it open or closed. So I think closed is better. Then you can also apply animations if required. Then you can also add some border and spacing. Then you can also duplicate and add question 2. In the same way you can easily create number of copies. Let's preview. Now here you can see how it looks. Just you can view. Just you can open any of these and close that. So in this way you can easily create FAQ section in your WPBakery WordPress.